Welcome to this video tutorial on implementing Bitcoin multi-wallet management. My name is Your Name, and in this series, we're going to explore how to manage multiple Bitcoin wallets effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a system that simplifies how you handle multiple wallets in your applications. Let's dive in. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by multi-wallet management. In the context of Bitcoin, this means you can store, send, and receive Bitcoin from multiple wallet addresses within one application. This gives users greater flexibility and control over their transactions. For our implementation, we'll be using Java. You'll need the following prerequisites installed on your system: Java SDK 11 or higher, Maven for dependency management, and an IDE of your choice, like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse. To kick things off, we need to create a new Maven project. Open your IDE, create a new project, and select Maven. Follow through the prompts to set up your project. Once your project is created, ensure your pom.xml file includes the necessary dependencies for Bitcoin. Now that we have our dependencies set up, let's create a basic structure for our multi-wallet management system. We will start with a wallet manager class that will handle the creation and management of wallets. Create a new Java class named Wallet Manager. We are using the BitcoinJ library here, which simplifies working with Bitcoin wallets. In this class, I've initialized a list to store each wallet we'll create. Next, we'll implement a method to create a new wallet. The createWallet method initializes a new wallet using the provided network parameters, which could be either mainnet or testnet. Notice how we add this wallet to our list of wallets. In the next step, we will add a method to list all created wallets. With this method in place, we can quickly retrieve all wallets we've created. But before we proceed, let's check how we can set up the Bitcoin network parameters to create wallets appropriately. We typically use mainnet params for mainnet and testnet 3 params for testnet. With our wallet manager class growing, the next logical step is to implement wallet funding functionality. Let's add methods to send and receive Bitcoin. We'll implement a sendcoins method first. This method converts the amount of Bitcoin into Satoshis and prepares a send request to the destination address. It will return a transaction ID on success or an error message if the transaction fails. Now, let's implement the functionality to receive Bitcoin. The ReceiveCoins method adds a listener to the wallet. This listener listens for incoming transactions and prints out the transaction ID along with the new balance whenever coins are received. This way, you can keep track of any incoming transactions without having to manually check the wallet. Now that we have the basic functionalities for sending and receiving Bitcoin, let's create a simple user interface to orchestrate these operations. For this demonstration, we'll implement a console-based application. Create a new class named WalletApp, which will serve as the entry point. Inside our main method, we set up a simple menu for the user to interact with. The scanner object allows us to capture user input easily. Based on the user's choice, we will call the appropriate method to manage wallets. Here, we've implemented cases for creating and listing wallets. We'll need to implement the functionality for sending and receiving coins directly from the console. Let's finish up by adding that functionality. In the sending case, we prompt the user for a destination address and amount to send. Then we call the sendcoins method and print the result. In the receiving case, we call the ReceiveCoins method to set up the listener to track incoming transactions. This simplistic setup gives us a functional multi-wallet management system. Before we finish this tutorial, let's discuss a few things regarding Bitcoin wallet management. Security should always be a top priority. Ensure you never expose your private keys and always use secure frameworks for wallet management. Furthermore, consider adding encryption and backup features to your wallets for better safety. Handling multiple wallets means keeping track of many private keys, which can get complex. Always implement best practices related to security and data management. In today's tutorial, we covered the implementation of Bitcoin multi-wallet management system using Java. We learned how to create and manage wallets, as well as send and receive Bitcoin. I hope this tutorial has provided you with valuable insights and practical coding experience. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials on Bitcoin programming and other software development topics. Thanks for watching.